Hey AgriCam customers, this is Jared coming to you today to talk about our waterproof wired backup camera system. If you're a customer that's looking for a 1080p wired backup camera system with a 7-inch screen, but you need not only the camera to be IP67 waterproof, but you also need the LCD to be waterproof, this system might be the perfect system for you. I'm going to kind of cover some of the benefits and features, kind of show you some of the product today, and I'll show you how to order it on the product page. If you got any questions, you can always scroll to the top of the website. We have our phone number listed here at 512-251-8472. You can drop us an email or call us at any point. We would love to talk to you and answer further questions, or maybe you're interested in buying these in bulk, or maybe you want to resell these, or you just got other questions, drop us a call. So let's jump into it. So this is our waterproof 1080p backup camera system. With this system, you're going to have a 7-inch screen, one camera minimum. You can add a second camera, and you can have cable length of any type. Let me show you the LCD real quick. You see it on the picture there, but this is the actual LCD screen that you see pictured here. It has a sun shield that's going to kind of drown out any sun and give you some shade if you are in direct sunlight. It's got push touch buttons down at the bottom that allow you to control and use the system. So you're just going to push on these buttons and you can navigate, change the settings, change the video, look, whatever you want to do. It is a metal heavy duty bracket that you can mount this against a flat surface like this on top of a surface, and you can also move the bracket up to these screws, and you can mount this on top of it if you like, or you could just mount it upside down. But this U-shaped bracket allows you to kind of mount it at any direction against any surface. It has a power mechanism that's completely waterproof and weatherproof. It kind of screws in like this on this bracket, and it has a waterproof connection that you're going to screw in this connection for the camera. And let me show you this connection. It's got two inputs because I said earlier this system can use up to two cameras, camera 1 and camera 2. It has basic power cables, which is going to be your red 12-volt hardwire cable, and it can use up to 24 volts as well. So this is what it's going to power the unit, and then the black is going to be your ground. And it has trigger wires. The reason why you might want these trigger wires is green and blue. Let's assume you have two cameras with the system, and you have one of them on the reverse mechanism. So when the equipment or truck or whatever you're using goes in reverse, and you want the system to go full screen with that reverse camera, if you trigger it, one of these red or blue, whichever one is on the trigger, the camera 1 or camera 2, then the system's going to go full screen while that trigger is active. And then when the trigger is no longer hot or active, it's going to go back to split screen. So it has that capability with the trigger wires to do that. So this is your power mechanism, your camera cables for the system. Again, waterproof, IP65 waterproof LCD. So you can mount this externally. So if you're using a forklift or something that's going to be external and it doesn't have an enclosed cab, this is the reason why you'd want a waterproof LCD. Now let's talk about the camera. This comes with a IP67 heavy-duty waterproof commercial grade metal camera that this mount can rotate any direction. You can go behind it, on top of it, so you can mount this against something or however you want. It's a 1080p wide angle camera, so this is going to give you a high definition video quality. It has 8 infrared lights that you see here, and it's got a sensor in the middle. When the sensor detects low light, when it starts to get dusk or later, this sensor is going to turn on these infrared lights, and these illuminate red as you see in the picture on the product page, and you're going to get full color, and you're going to have visibility up to about 40 feet from the camera with these infrared lights. It's incredible super night vision, probably some of the best night vision that you've ever seen with this camera system. You can be in a pitch black parking lot, in a pitch black warehouse, turn these on, and you're going to be able to see very, very clearly with some color as well. You get one of these cameras, and then you have the cables that connect into the cameras. Just like so, These connect into the cameras, and you screw these in. And we have cable lengths that you see listed here below of 9 foot, 15 foot, 30 foot, 45 foot, 60 foot, or 9 foot distances. So when you're ordering your camera, you get one cable per camera completely free. So if you order one camera you want to click on and choose one cable length that you want for that camera. If you change this to 2 cameras, then you want to highlight and pick 2 cameras. You could pick 2 at different lengths if you want, like this, or you could get 2 45-foot cables, for example. It can work in that manner with that cable length. So you get one cable of any length per camera, and that's the cables that you can get with this system. Some other optional accessories, if you want a different butterfly heavy-duty dash mount, we have that available. If you click on that, you see it's going to add $25 before discount to the total if you wanted that heavy-duty dash mount. We also have 60-pound magnets. These magnets will allow you to connect the camera to any metal object, and you can move it from location to location. And the magnets are so strong you can hang 59 pounds on the magnet. It's not going to be dislodged. It takes 60 pounds or more force or weight in order to dislodge that camera. So you can tell at 59 pounds or lower, it's not going to be dislodged with practically any application you're using the camera in. And last but not least, you got the option for warranty. We give you a 1-year warranty at no additional cost. That's completely free. Or you can add a 3-year warranty. A 3-year warranty covers anything and everything. So for $47 before discount, you can add a 3-year warranty. You can literally run this over with your tractor, and it can be in 100 pieces, and you will get a brand new unit, no deductible, for $47. So if you think that's worth it, add that on. If not, just choose on the 1-year warranty. So this is pretty much the options you have with the system. Remember, you want to choose 1 or 2 cameras. You want to choose your cable lengths, 1 cable per camera. If you want this mount, if you want magnets, if you want the warranty, and then you're going to hit add the cart. Once you add it to cart, you're going to enter your billing and shipping information. And then you're going to get to the summary screen. When you get the summary screen, you want to scroll up and copy and paste or remember this code right now. At this point in February of 2022, we got a 12% discount with free shipping. So you enter an easy12 and into that promo code section, and you're going to get a 12% discount. If you're ordering after 3/3, it's going to be a different sale. We almost always have a sale going on, so you can scroll and see at the top of the website, and you'll see a discount code that's available. So that's how you order it. That's how you can get discounts. If you're looking for volume or you're looking for wholesale, you can give us a holler and we can get you a quote for additional pricing. Now let me just make sure I covered everything on the website and show you how to kind of scroll through. You got tabs here with the various options you can look at. This is the overview. As I mentioned, 1080p camera with the wide angle lens. Comes with 1 camera, but you can add 2. 7-inch waterproof IP67 LCD. You can get a 45-foot cable if you don't choose one. That's what we'll ship, or you can choose the cable length that you want. Free shipping. We ship out same day. If you order by about 2 p.m. Central Time, it will come out same day, and we always offer a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. So you get a chance to evaluate this. If it's doesn't meet your expectations for any reason, or you want to switch to a different unit, you can get 100% refund or credit to your unit at any point. You can kind of scroll through and read a little bit more. At the bottom, we have some questions and answers that other customers have asked. You can go down and read these Q&As that are there. If I scroll back up, you got specs. This is the specification of everything. This is what is included with everything. One thing I forgot to mention, this does include a remote control for your LCD, so you are getting one of those. This extra tab is going to show you the instruction manual. So if you click on that, you can check out the manual we have for the unit and review that. And these are all the reviews that we gotten thus far. So that's pretty much the system. If you got questions, drop us a call. If not, you can order this online or you can call to order it. I do want to mention we have a wireless unit that's waterproof just like this. It's a 7-inch unit that has a 7-inch screen and a wireless camera. So if you're looking for a wireless unit instead of a wired unit, you have this option. You just click on backup cameras, and if you click on waterproof cameras, there's the wired one we just went over, and this the wireless one right here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.